Hi, just David here from One Up Gaming, and have a quick unboxing of this little tiny box. I do apologise if you can hear a massive droning noise in the background. That is my old PC. It is one of the reasons why I have got this, because it's one of those things where you don't realise how loud everything is, and you try and record something and all you hear is meh in the background, and it's just not good. So we'll have a look in here, see what we've got. So we've got paper, Jesus, and we've got a smaller box inside a box, so get rid of that box, and then I guess this is, oh no, there's a little tiny pull string. So where does this come out now? Is this another box? Oh, and inside this box, oh that's cool, you pull that and it pops out. So inside this box is another box, and that's another empty bloody box. More boxes, and then we have the MacBook Air. So how do you do this? Oh, that's cool. Just comes straight out. So, and before people question the colour that I got, I think it's the gold one. I think I just clicked random buttons until I get things. That's why I have random rubbish that I seem to acquire over the years, and then when I think back, like, why is it that colour? But anyway, the box is really nice. The box is really quite tight. So there's the little MacBook. So I guess in the box we have a, what's that, USB-C to USB-C. Probably going to be like Thunderbolt or whatever the hell they're called nowadays. Designed in California, which is quite funny. So I guess that's just random pamphlets, instruction booklet for the MacBook, and some gold stickers. Does that come out? No, that's just cardboard in there. That's just to hold that all together. And then we have a UK power adapter, which is very sticky. I don't know why that's so sticky. But anyway, UK power adapter. And the external brick. So why is that? There we go. Just rip the whole thing. That's the easiest way to do it. If in doubt, rip it out. So that goes that way. So there we go. So there is the, I guess, that's only a 30 watt. Bloody hell. I'm shocked at that. And that is all you get in the box. So let's have a look at the little MacBook itself. So that just opens out. Oh, let's have a look. Can we open it? And then, oh, and it opens. And as soon as you open it, it turns on. So, my friends, that is my gold MacBook. Just feels rather nice. But anyway, that's my little tiny MacBook. I'll set all this up and I'll give it a trial And I'll be back. So me, David, One Up Gaming, saying thank you. Goodbye.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I bang with One Up Gaming, drop more hits once I'm famous. The best, that's what our aim is. All platforms, what your game is. To the leaderboards, I'm coming. See me in a shooter, I can promise I'll be gunning. When I hit the music, try to swear I'm gonna run it. Can't take One Up, you can try, but we done it. Let's go. Alright, let's go to the best place for reviews I know. Xbox One and PS4, Wii U as far as consoles go. They do handheld PCs, merchandise for you and me. Contests that you gotta do, the prizes are for gamers who going hard all day. We really the boys cause you're just that great. Can't lose, there's too much at stake. You're a certified badass when you play.
I bang with One Up Gaming. I bang with One Up Gaming.
I bang with One Up Gaming, drop more hits once I'm famous. The best, that's what our aim is.